are going to love the 2020 Toyota Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, power moonroof, remote keyless entry. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.